Welcome back for another Minnesota geological example of a tufa. Today we are in Root River Park in Olmsted County. Here a small creek flows into the Root River. As it flows down the slope, it forms little pools and waterfalls along the way. At the edge of each pool is a rim of limestone known as a tufa. A tufa is a type of limestone that forms from water saturated with calcium carbonate. This stream originates as a spring not far from here, coming out of carbonate rocks. Carbon dioxide dissolved in the water forms weak carbonic acid that can dissolve the limestone bedrock. Once the water reaches the surface, it loses CO2 to the atmosphere and calcite precipitates. This process is enhanced when the water is more turbulent as it flows over the waterfalls. So the calcite is precipitated preferentially at the waterfalls. This builds up the ledge, making the pool deeper and the waterfall taller. Leaves and twigs caught at the waterfalls become covered with calcite and form fossils. So the story goes, a few years back my daughter and I were visiting Root River Park here. She picked up a loose chunk of the porous rock and there was a clear impression of a leaf on it. I was shocked since I know that bedrock in this area is older than trees by hundreds of millions of years. Yet, here's this fossil of a modern-looking leaf. Looking at the other side of it, it reminded me of the tufa samples we have in the lab. Sure enough, when I researched it, I found that tufa of this type has been seen elsewhere in southern Minnesota. In fact, photos of those tufas look remarkably like the terraces we see along this stream. This has been a Minnesota geological example of a tufa.